and what not to do.
It is done.
The lightning and the thunder will roll.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.
I say you do with that. Yeah. Me tell you fi give me back. Yeah. Lord, this can't real at all. Me dey am now, me get in a this fall. Me dey on a me mission in a broad daylight. At a beat fast, nothing a feel right. One little slip up turn big overnight. Now me have to beg God fi avoid one fight. Me say please just hand it over. She laugh and I call me closer. Me know if the owner ever find out, me life a go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks when me fi say, me I go lose me peace this same day. Give me back the panty, no make me cry. Me reputation bout to fly. One little lace cause volume stress. Me never know love coulda make such mess. She hide it good, me search every room. Me feel like doom, just stepping out the gloom. Every excuse just sound out of tune. Me know the thunder soon I go boom. She say beg little Lord a star. Me say Lord have mercy Father. One piece of cloth and make me a sweat. This a the hardest favor me beg yet. If you ever juggle, listen this tale. One wrong move make every plan fail. Sometimes the lesson costs more than pride. Now me a dodge trouble from every side. Give me back the panty, me I beg you know. Me still can't explain it somehow. One little secret, bust down on the street. Now everybody wanna hear the beat. Give me back the panty, end this play. Me nah live so again from today. One little lace turn comedy gold. Some story better never get told.
Hello? Hey girl, what happened? Come here. Me for the fan and die tree. Girl, I have a story for tell you. This really hot. Girl, me need a advice for something. So hurry up and come here now. Alright. Alright.
What is a girl I want? I got my sons in the car. Might be important. Girl! Come on.
I'm gonna need an advice for something. Girl, can you believe me go up a Ricky yard?
Girl, come up to us, man.
Yeah, come. Why my phone drop? Come.
So true what you gonna tell me, you know? Oh, no drama in a girl.
I go up a Ricky yard. Him a go tell me, say, him not do no more sneaking with me or nothing. Him a get married to Chubby.
Oh, here, what do you mean by that?
Girl, my tell me say him a get married to Chubby and we can't do no more sneaking. So, I forgot to come up on yard.
No, so smart something I go on in your life? What is the advice you want?
What fi do?
Say him.
Want advice what fi do? What I mean by that?
Your time to you? And you kick out the girl. Simple. 1, 2, 3, girl.
I'm gonna do that.
When back you do that, you move to that girl.
No.
Girl, you forgot. I'm Mama Jones.
How name so?
I'll be at one. What do you, girl?
When I did that Sydney, you know some got to church already.
Girl, what do you? So what you want to do? Fight him? That you want to do? You
That
want
no
fight
bad
Ricky?
that the bad stills, you
You
know.
idiot? Girl, you have to do it the quick way right now. Alright, me tell you, I'm your friend. I can't make you go to. Girl, you look sad, girl. You want to cry every minute over Dirty Ricky? You don't want him to become your prize. Eh?
Yeah, my auntie.
Don't worry. Now I set up something with it all. Me, I go got Mama Jones. You know what you need to do? Just get the girl panty. Get the one where she just take off. You can't get no one that wash already. You have to get the one where you use already. So when she just take off, like friend him up and go up a yard. Get why you look at me so weird?
Girl, me have to look by your way, but anyway,
Let me finish
talk.
talk. So you need to get the
Yeah, the panty in
yeah,
here.
me I'll make me a stammer. So when you get the panty now,
Mm-hmm.
remember you know the one where she use, you need to friend up Ricky. I doing this and thing but friend him up. Get the used one, you bring it come May go up on Jones and she do what she need to do. And if you know what else go happen, just know say girl go come out that picture completely and after that, you get your man use brief. You understand? You set him to so I only go have eyes for you. How that sound?
Okay, the planning the sound too bad stills, you know.
You look like you're afraid. What are you? You don't think you gonna work?
Come I used to then Sydney cause me's a goodly picnic and me got church. But anyways,
Yeah.
anything what you say,
Yeah, girl.
we work with.
Say what you want me to do. Be a friend and make you go through them something here and you can have an easier way. If you might tell us saying go married to Chubby, just know say you in basically tell us say you and him basically left.
He even want to get her pregnant too.
Alright, alright. You need to hurry up and do this. So you need to friend him up. You need to call him and sweet him up. Tell him when I'm gonna tell him what catch him fast. And you get the girl panty file. You know you're not gonna touch no girl panty, but make sure you get one to use.
She not up there right now cause she's supposed to go to work, you know.
We'll get one we use. She must do that because she's not like a clean girl. So she must have them in her shoe something. So you just do that and you just bring it come to me as first thing. As you get it, nobody hitch.
Alright, we do that. So anyways, what happened?
Me there, yeah, girl, I'm tired. You see how far me have to walk come from?
Girl, I know me hot.
But girl, I'm sorry for you now, because you know me already now. You know me come to already, girl. Me not feel I got through them stress there like you. You know me just a use man and just a broke their heart and I take their money.
You still do that?
You know, so what your girl say when what do you find when I rich one them? I want to be my get out time, you know?
Girl.
Man, be my, you hear that big car with sunroof. Girl,
Although you're my friend and you help me with whatever situation me I go through, but still, you don't know say man we kill if man we analyze for them sitting there.
girl, you know some me a mad woman. Just like how me I tell about this, it's not the first time. They feel them head already set. So them when me do them that's something they forget my face and identity. My identity come out of their face, my name, everything, my body, everything. They erase. They don't even know how much a large sum of money come out of their account. Girl, you know me come there already. That's when me done with them boy there. Them dry out like a chips where they even make good enough you know what me I talk about.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah. But anyways, girl, you serious about what you do?
Yeah, me serious about me I do. But either way, where carry them? Where we
Girl, I that with you, you know I joke me around, girl. How happen? I joke me around, girl. I can't look for myself. I joke me around.
anything you say.
But me, I make the money, girl. You know how me come there already. Yeah, you forgot how my house look? You forgot how my house look? My house look like a hotel. Me use man for sense. But you know you love a girl, so you're in a really stay like me. That's why me have to help in this situation. So you cannot start draining him to kind
But
of
you
money,
see,
you know.
the brother just cover your stills. Me not tell you.
Yes, Miss Brown. How much it fit for the entire wedding? Oh, 300,000. So we are gonna get like a cake including and the clothes and everything. Okay. No man, that at least. That at least. Me have no problem. But here what mother do, Miss Brown. Mother make she call me no want to see where my wife a go in, you know. You know easy, you know, Miss Brown. Me no say no my wife yet. But soon to be. So mother want she come first, like she come today, try and fear just cause me no want see what she a go wear and me no want she if you see what me a go wear. So me a go come tomorrow and try on my suit. You know, easy, you know, Miss Brown. Alright, then later. And thank you, Miss Brown. Yeah, me I gonna make you come today, yeah, Miss Brown. Alright, and me forward tomorrow. Alright.
I did that first cemetery, but I'm fine. You know, say me go renew my passport now.
Oh, cause you need for renew, you know, be. And me call the lady we are gonna deal with the wedding for we, and she had tell me say everything good, and me ask her price and everything, and she tell me price. So
How much you say?
she said 300,000. So you gotta go over there today after you go renew your passport and try an address.
Oh, so today me I tell you on the dress.
Yeah, today you go over there go try an address. You go check Miss Brown. You know where Miss Brown live?
I think I know it's past today, you know. But me want to go deal with the passport first. Come tell us renew me on it. Come me excited, you know. I'm so excited for what trip, you know. First me I got Bahamas. I'm excited.
Be you must expect say yo me I go cheat you, me I make sure say alright. Remember say more second and no, even though some things happening I pass way. Just forgive me.
Me nobody bring up that. Me tell us me forgive you already. Them there was all time news. You understand? But I said open and do it again. Me forgive you for a long time. I should even bring up back that. Me soon to be wife, you know.
Yes, be this month we are get married, you know. No longer than this month.
Can't wait.
Can't wait, Tommy, can't wait for go to Bahamas.
Anyways, now me get the things them man. Me go renew the passport, then me go down at the home.
Yeah, and try and adjust and make sure say if you don't feel comfortable in a dress, you know, don't tell the woman say you like, you know, and you know you not like, you know, because you know how you stay, you know.
No man, me go pick the one I like. I hope me can done in time. Come I want to go fresh up my hair a little bit.
Yeah, you want fresh to be and you can do that tomorrow. We not rush, you know. You go try dress today because remember say you go look about your passport, you renew it.
Yeah.
So and then after you renew your
Then
passport,
I go born the dress.
then you go look about it just so tomorrow morning you can get up and go do your hair.
Alright, because
Alright, and what you know be, you see engagement ring. I'm sorry about that, because she break. I just feel a way about it.
do you ever had a problem with some little things? Me tell you, say, you know, them they are the least, them they are just material things. You understand what I mean? Say? Yeah, like I say, when we get married, a different we can go pop on my finger. Look at the least say problem be. Stop worry about that now.
Be
Tell
a,
us I'm good.
be a, that's why I have to love you, you know, be. Me not put no other else female over here, you know.
You can't.
You are my wife, you know, be.
Anyways,
Yeah,
I
me
love you and me I go on the road, you know. So
be a trade even know me love you, be.
me love you too.
Me love you like how God love Jesus. Take care of yourself, you hear?
Me not bother look for me, man. I better go on the road, put the key up, but I can't find it here.
Alright, babes.
Alright, later.
Kiss me teeth. Girl, then if you go do it as soon as possible.
Me go do what me go do. But where you go?
Me don't know yet. Probably there years and go and think. And see how much client me can get right now. Cause I see it on my phone. Right now, the man call me right now. Let me sit on some more links.
Jesus Christ. Anyways. Me a come.
You need to hurry up and go do it.
Yeah, me a go down soon.
Go on your yard and go call him and friend. Me take, as you say, you can't go in your yard so do not go to the man yard like that.
Me not get money out like
You
that.
wear something well short.
What?
Alright, continue. Go on, girl. I don't know about mine.
Yeah, bye-bye. Ricky. Me and you need to have us.
You go tell her say, you don't pop up for me just so.
That had nothing to do with me.
Call me phone whenever you come on me yard.
That had nothing to do with me. Anyways, I have a problem, you know.
What kind of problem?
But tell me, say, you get married to Chubby. I tell you this. Remember, say me know you before she, you know, before you take up yourself, you go there with her, you know.
But that not say, remember say you're not my personal woman, you was a side chick. And from me take up Chubby, me second down. Me not, you exit out of the picture.
I'm there before she.
But that not say. That not say through your day before she, you know. That not mean say you still there, you know.
So you just shut me out.
Me can't bother with this. Me can't bother if you have two women one time.
You should have think about that at first. You see, that's why we women are like, man. You see, that's how we hate, you know.
Yo, me woman not gonna work today, you know. Let me tell her that, you know. So talk where you talk. And hurry up.
Your woman are gonna work, nah, nothing to do with me. Anyways, I can go down there. Come.
No, you can't do that. The woman gone on the road to come back.
That not had nothing to do with me. Come, we are going to the house.
No, we can't just go. Yo, let me tell her this. My woman gone on the road to come back. How you would have looked if you know say my woman come catch me with you?
You go like she don't know about me already.
No, remember say me tell her say me I go get married. Me I go settle down. Me can't bother with the side trick and the main trick thing. Me can't bother with them. There's something that main trick me want to stick to.
Me and Chike want to. You see it? That's how a woman carry look pound, you know.
Hey, look here. I love you, you know. I tell her say I love you already, you know. But more second don't know. You think how younger me I get? How older me I get?
You see it? Me give you me all. Me give you me heart. Everything. You make me feel like say you not hurt me. I know you hurt me. You make me feel like no me worthless, like me no worth nothing, me no worth nothing, none
No,
tal.
say that be, no say that be. Calm down, no look how much man out there.
What that for do with
You
me?
feel like you can't do off every man out there. You know the amount of man out there right now would have want you.
Me no business about them. You me want. Me no want nobody else. You hear me I tell you? You alone me want. Are you have me heart and everything already? Are you really want to cut rip? Brother?
But me can't unbreak your heart. So baby girl, if me break your heart, me sorry. As me said earlier on, whole heap of man out there. Me can't bother if you run up and done.
You know what? It's alright, Ricky. It's okay. Why? I don't know why help is it
You
you.
don't say you don't understand life though. You don't understand. So
You don't understand life. Can imagine me there before she and me there thick and thin with you. And you go put she over me, boy, you go
So-
marry she.
your grandmother never tell us say all bring new.
Oh, so me all.
Because you did it first. So Chubby new. So you old. So that you are going to bring in new.
See, for no one, is there any problem you have with Chubby? Don't call my phone. Don't even call my
I
phone.
love you, though, baby. I give you a chance. Because true, I know you love me too, you know. And I like say me I go and like say me don't know say you love me, you know. Me know say you love me. Come go fix your business before Chubby come back. Because Chubby gone down the road to come back and go and check for something.
Just come go
Come
in
on,
the
and
house.
we have to do it fast, you know.
Don't tell me about no
You
fast
want to
business.
keep my woman, you know, because I love my woman now.
You should think about that at first.
Woman gone on the
Oi.
road there, so suppose you can't catch me now, you know, so we can't go
Let's
and get
stop long chatting and go on, no?
Hurry up, man. I'm bringing a sipper. Bring in a sipper.
Me not bringing up one. Cha.
I'm going to use the bathroom and come back.
Some for do go in our room. Go get undressed.
Remember, say me tell us that me change. I am a changed person. I'm tired of you doing from a woman bed that disrespectful. And you don't have to do badness.
What go do we have that excuse right from me?
You're too miserable, man. You have some chill.
want to get married, start a family, and second done. So if we are going to link up upon the road and you're so out of it. And if we even link up, remember say I don't know their business, relationship done.
You know something that power with you, Tahika. You think so this relationship not done until I say it's done. You're lucky.
What? Must feel like drop me on me.
And I'm like part talking with you, you know. Okay. So happy to you. You me I tell you? Alright.
I could have what happened to me. Just know say I hit that for you. It done. Come go sweet up back in the room now before moms come home.
Oh, what I say there? I'm tired, man. It's so hot. I had a long day, man. But I be me get through with this thing, you know. Yes, I'm belly kind of full up, but
So
me get through.
Jess, what happened to you, Jess?
B, it dressed nice. Cause first she did give me one dress, you know, and me never did too like it. And then remember you say if you don't like it, don't take it. So now she give me one. Me say B, everybody go bad man when me put her on the dress there. It just sit down.
So you don't know say my woman have to look good. My woman have to look good, you know. Remember say we are get married, you know. And the next thing too, we now invite one heap of people, you know, so nobody publish, you know. I just close family. We're close to
So my
we.
friend then can't come.
You know what, everybody in our business.
I understand still.
Private wedding. And we now publish it. We are doing things silent. We are married and we are go Bahamas. Nobody nothing knows so we are go Bahamas.
Babe, me tell you the truth, and I know say you're not broke or nothing, you know, but you don't think a private wedding and then the expensive dress and then everything is expensive. You done too much.
Alright, let me explain to you. Probably I may say it wrong. When me say private, me no mean like you can't bring one and two of your friend them.
Oh.
But me no want to bring you one them and go bad mind and fight it thing. You can invite one and two. But mostly close family we are the close to it thing.
I understand why your system. But that's why you say, you know, do too much just for make me happy.
Yeah. As long as me here there, I'm willing to second on with you. I will forever treat you. Not too expensive when it come on to you.
Alright, you did cook.
No, I don't say me never get a chance to cook. Me they are easy back on a bun and one frost and they wait till they come in. So me don't know what you would want to eat.
Mm-hmm.
So me say me I wait till they come home ask what you want to eat. Me we go cook man, what you want to eat?
Alright, make that stay. Me did cook about some fish and rice, so me just go eat
Yeah,
that.
in the fridge. Me did put in the fridge so you can hot up it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's a be here.
Me I'll wash off and sitting man. Yeah.
So I know a star. I shouldn't even do this so me do not too long, you know. Look for my beautiful wife. Me bring other woman come my yard, bro, and cheat, bro. And when me I go stop, I promise myself so me nah carry that girl that come back here. And me keep on and do it over and over. Me really want to know when me I go stop. Look for me, wife. How my wife chubby and sexy and beautiful. To how me feel about the situation, all myself me upset with. I want change, you know. I call Peter. Yo, Peter.
Yo, why you pray me, G?
Yo, Peter, you know, see me I get married, bro, and you want to be best man, bro.
So you don't tell me that already, brother. I'm going to tell you, tell me that.
Bro, relax. Someone want to do something for me, bro. Me have a woman in my life. We not top bother me, bro. She not top piss me, bro. And my wife, bro, when me I get married too soon, bro, soon to be my wife. Me no want that the girl when me used to knock. That my ex, you know. Call this here my
That's
ex.
Slim Man. Hold on, you see him little Slim Man there?
Yeah, when me used to knock before me find this a girl, before me find Chubby.
Me remember her, man.
Yeah, me want
Come
to
like can't lose his name, bro. Remember some new girl, bro.
all that too, bro. All that me figure, bro. But want to do something for me, bro.
So what you say, go on? How go on? How go on?
I want to do something for me, bro. Wait, she just avoid me, bro. What you can do for me?
Brother, what you call me upon, brother? I don't know what me have to do. What you mean, say, what if you do something? Brother, look here, all you have to do, bro, just avoid the girl, bro. Tell the girl, say, go on, bro. Tell the girl, say, you broke my youth. Because remember, say, they know, say, you have money already, bro. So, probably, you see me? So you have the money, you know, they're not going to Alexa, bro. So tell the girl, say, you broke like a dog, like a buckle, bro.
Peter, all when me act like me broke, cause all when me act like me broke, and when me broke, cause more while I know we have ups and downs more while, so you know, say, yo, things slow sometime. She still not left me, bro.
Eh. I too good money have them, man.
Yeah, man, yo, I laugh, yeah. Yo, a serious matter this, bro. No laugh, bro.
Yo, we have to laugh, bro. We don't talk serious, but what you want to do, brother? What you want me to do?
Yo, you know what I want to do, bro. Cause a serious thing this I know, bro. I want to try do something where, even if you can do like a rich bro or something, bro, cause a girl love money, man.
Eh.
And take a picture.
Remember saying I would just drop the crown, you know.
Alright, bro. So you're willing to get her.
I mean, do like a rich, and I say, rich, and I'm your father.
You know, easy, you know, Peter. Just want to bribe her.
Eh.
Try get her close to you.
What you want to? I understand what you say, bro. But I feel good to do that, bro. I must say, you're a man in my life.
Bro, just do something for me now, bro. Please, me. How far you come from me now, bro?
Yo. Yo. Remember say carry the garage, my youth. So you piece of machine and just well, alright, me have a style I can pull off.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yo, what you have to do? Just send me a money no man, send me like 50 grand, bro. You give back after me done, bro. Just so brand machine and eyes and everything, bro.
Bro, remember me rich, you know, bro. What can I give you back? We are bridging, you know, bro. Remember say I do a flavor for me, you know, so me must can do back something for you, you know, bro.
Yo, I don't charge me, you know, brother. Just use the money like in front of eyes, bro. And me give back your money, brother.
Me know say you not charge me, bro. That one juice money, 50 grand is nothing, bro.
Alright. Listen, take that then.
Yeah, bro. Just take a picture with her close up under your arms, bro, and send me. We can use and blackmail the girl so she avoid me, bro.
Alright. I'll do that then.
Alright, bro.
Yo,
Yo,
I wish part she live again.
you know what I say? I done on the street. They say, remember where Rasta did have a bar there, so? On the lane there. 12th Street.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, right. That's how she live, right across from the bar.
I'll get to work.
Alright, bro.
Don't send me my account number, it's Scotia, don't.
Yeah, bro. Me I send it.
Alright, send it to that, please.
Alright, bro. Me I send it now, you know.
Get to work. Huh?
Me I send the money now, you know, bro.
Yeah, man, do that now, man. I get to work, man.
Alright.
Right away.
Yeah.
Alright.
Send the doggy money, I know. Send. Yeah, man, a long time one. I hope this will work, you know. Cause a long time one that girl they avoid me, bro. Cause there's nothing me see in this world. When me try if you do already, if you make a girl avoid me, she still a forward, bro.
Hey, it's something ready now. I just don't have to pay. Come for something.
Alright, me a forward.
Des. Girl, come meet me by van. This same spot where we did this morning. Alright.
Please just hand it over. She laugh and I call me closer. Me know if the owner ever find out, me life I go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks where me fist say, me I go lose me peace this same day.
Girl, you see how far me have come from? Tired enough? You go have to pay me. You go have to pay me. There's a hot sun every minute.
Madam, I do not have to pay for nothing, no.
You're not supposed to pay me.
No.
I not some milk you walk come every minute, you know.
So it's fixing so me if you walk down there, so.
You do you think?
Yeah, me do it. You know something normal already, so yeah, we have to go.
Why something there? God knows.
Where you going so far?
Don't run with me, Leah. We have put a girl dirty panty in my face for girl.
Madam, I should say
You don't
dirty.
with your hand.
Oh, but you tell me to take out the door.
Me say take out here, make sure you put it in one bag.
No bag daddy there.
I'm gonna try to see if I wear it.
I don't know. She must say I catch fish.
But you're clean. A clean panty is not dirty.
I type basket and bedside, I take you out.
It no matter once you wear it already, it no matter. Anyways, what's happening now?
So madam, take this from me now.
Yeah,
You never say.
I told we are guys same place when I touch that.
So why am I come with you?
Because it's where we are go. What do you mean by? No, that I plan.
First of all, you tell me say you are going. Me never say me
Leah, me
come.
tell us I made you go. Remember, she
Whatever.
nervous. Anyways, I'm not gonna pass a burn out for you. I can't like you happy.
Me don't know why you go there so.
What you say now?
Alright, so we don't do that already. So what else?
You go to your girl. Remember what else you don't want? Something done fast.
Yeah, but which part you man there?
Me know which part she the girl on my link then. Me know which part she there. Okay, just make sure you have the jars. But I put that nowhere near me. Cause, you ready or what?
Yeah, I'm ready, but like, how much I go charge?
About 50 girl or more. 50 at least 50. Or what?
Me not even had any type of money there. You could tell me earlier. But either either way, I think my mother has some money for you, so I just like borrow some from her.
You go borrow. Leah, me know you see a thief, you go thief your mother money. Just thief the money and come.
At least me will gear box I still borrow. And a thief me go thief.
A thief. Anyways, don't wash the jars, here. Don't wash it.
Me not wash it, by the way. I want to go just, can we go tomorrow early?
So like you want to do it tomorrow? Why not now?
No. Look how it's so hot. I saw you want to walk in,
Alright, can I do it as early? I remember I know early as morning. Because me already talk to one of them, so I know I know. A long time I do them things here. A long time I do them things to people, you understand? But I think me know where to do it now.
Eh. So me I can't go down.
So hurry up and go and do what you have to do. Make sure you keep the money for right now and secure it.
Top set thief.
Better thief, you go thief some other things. I'd rather sell it. Top thief one.
I can't go on home. Cause I know you frustrate me.
Ever find out me life I go mash up, can't work out. Give me back the panty, me I beg you please. Me can't manage this hot sun breeze. If the owner asks where me fist say, me I go lose me peace this same day. Give me back the panty, no make me cry. Me reputation bound to fly. One little lace cause volume stress. Me never know love coulda make such mess. She hide it good. Me search every room. Me feel like doom, just stepping at the gloom. Every excuse just sound out of tune. Me know the thunder soon I go boom. She say beg little Lord a star. Me say Lord have mercy Father. One piece of cloth and make me a sweat. This is the hardest favor me beg yet. If you ever juggle, listen this tale. One move make every plan fail. Sometimes the lesson costs more than pride. Know me a that trouble from every side. Give me back the panty, me I beg you know.
Leah! Girl, come here now, man. You see, I mean no business.
I'm ready. Want you?
But look, you make me have to come find a yard, girl, like you know, mean business.
You.
Cho, come on, girl, don't stop. You just, Cho. Nah, me not tell you no again. Can I mean no business? So, girl, where Jazzy?
I don't have a pocket, girl.
So you put in your pocket in one bag if you don't,
Don't
Leah?
worry about it. It's in my pocket.
You know, see, you're stubborn. You know, say, boy,
Just
me
one
can't bother. I can't bother, girl. You stress me.
not tired. Oh, I forgot to say, I regularly come up here and do people things, so I'm not saying nothing.
What do you girl? Stop move, sir. A serious person is a woman and we pick up say you move fool and nobody do no business. So
Wait a
stop
minute.
now.
Why?
Move straight, girl. Stop move, sir.
Where?
Come on, girl, I'm talking to you, sir.
You want it from me now?
Are you no hearing how the woman say? Yes, I can see two of you coming from afar, and one of you acting like you are afraid of me. But don't be afraid. I am here to help you. Come into my office. You're welcome. Oh, shaka mama. Hey. Hello. Don't be afraid. The lightning and the thunder. Don't be afraid. Because the lightning and the thunder will roll if you act like you're scared. Don't be afraid. I am here to help you from the east, the west, the north, and the south. Do you hear me? Come to me. I can see you. Your name in my private book. Yes, I can see your name. I know what color clothes you're in, and I know what you're coming to me for.
Girl, right, really? Bush?
Girl, come on, girl. I'm telling you, people are going to man for pick up. Come on, man.
Come me hand, come here. Chow. Oh, God.
Calm down, man. You know what she got pick you up?
Girl, wake up now. Chow.
We not calm down, Leah.
So what she asking around so far?
Come on, now. You know, say, what make she know say you're a real idiot, bro? You know, say, what make she know say you're a real idiot? Calm down, you have to be militant like me. What do you?
Yo, go on now. Go on now.
Hey! Yes. Take off your shoes. Your name is Leah, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't think about how do I know your name. I know that you plan to come to me. Your friend that bring you here, she's my regular customer. She know the rules. Hello, Leah?
Yeah.
Didn't she told you to take off your shoes before you step inside my palace? This is my palace. I do my work here.
No, she did not.
But you don't have to be afraid. So go ahead and tell me, what is your problem?
Alright. I have a boyfriend, right?
You have to speak up a little bit louder because the ancestors! Hey! Shh. I have to cough 3 times. You know why? It's a secret. I can't tell you. The ancestors just told me something about you. You need to tell me the truth. You was about to tell me a big fat lie. And if you tell me any lie, you won't like it. Go ahead.
Miss, may I tell you a lie? There's a boy named Ricky. Me and him have been together. But he have a other woman that he want to be married to. I have been there with him before that girl. And him a put she over me.
Shh. Yes. Okay. No problem. I can see Ricky from a distance. That's what your boyfriend name, right?
Yeah.
Yes! He's sleeping with another girl and not just only one. 3 of them, including you, make 4. He does not love you. And you're always giving this guy your money. You're a fool. Turn around 3 times. Spin it roll. 1 more time. Stop! I said 4. This guy is gonna get married very soon. So what you gonna do about that?
I want to get rid of the girl. What me can do?
Listen, that's what I was thinking. You have to get rid of the woman to have this guy for yourself. Okay,
Yeah, more for that.
so you have to give me something for that woman.
I have one panty for her. What me take?
I know you get that thing from your friend, you know. She know everything. She know what to do and what not to do. As I told you, she came here a lot of time. So you're sure that this is hers, not yours?
Yeah, me sure.
Because, hey, if this is yours, you know what is gonna happen?
Wow.
You're going to face the consequences. Death before dishonor. Hey! See? The spirit is trying to hold my feet because they can see something going on inside of you. I'm going to tell you this now. Don't worry about her. That man is going to be yours. I will get rid of her. Let me see. Okay, my ancestors, this way. Close your eyes. Turn around 3 times. Say, You have to speak up loud so the ancestors can hear you. One more. One more time. Okay, it is done. Hey! Don't be afraid. Say, hey, 3 times. Spin your roll. Louder than that. Again. Hey, It is done. It is done, my child. It is done. Before you go, you have to pay me $60,000.
But I only have 50.
Huh?
I only have 50.
Wait, just a second. She said she only have 50. What must I do? Okay. Leah,
Yes.
I will take the 50 from you, but you have to make sure in 7 days' time you bring the other 10 to me. Else, problem is going to happen in your life.
Okay, sure.
And if you don't want that to happen, bring the $10,000 in 7 days' time. Go! Take up your shoes and go. Give me my money. Thank you. Remember, it is done. Go! And don't look back. Remember, don't look back. Don't look back.
Swear you. Bring me up in your place, yeah. Come on, don't look back.
Don't look back. Hey, Done.
Maria,
Me up there so much time, so I'm just let me a faint with so.
that ever happen girl a regular thing that a woman powers. I remember say a strong woman that in about millions. Don't pay up that's what she have, you know.
Like seriously?
Yeah, girl, them a place I'm love her, what do you?
Yeah, you will love them places, yeah, cause you boy, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Babe, me not understand. Why you ever do them something there?
What me I do?
You ever smoke and I let the cigarette ashes them in the room and all over the place? You clean the
Me
place?
not always sweep out the place.
Oh, well, I guess you don't sweep it out because I just sweep out the whole of the room. Up on the bed, you left the ashes them. And what do you?
So what your problem? What are you
You
for?
clean the place? Me and your maid, you know? Yeah, go and accept me and your maid like I am to be maid. You need to stop it if you want to smoke, you need to go outside. You're supposed to leave and smoke so much. You smoke morning, noon and night.
B, what all of this for?
Me I tell you, me can't bother to the walk back at you. I'm going to tell you, me nah go keep on a walk back at you. You have to go and maid, but them something you want to do. You the hard place, every look, ashes, every cigarette butt, every hard place. And garbage there you.
So you go like say you wanna sweep up the place.
What sweep it when you drop them there?
So me not sweep it sometime.
Sometime, me sweep it all the time. Cause even when you sweep it, me have to go back over go sweep it. Cause I don't know where you say sweep though. All the time, every day, get up, smoke, gone out the road, friend this. You need to stop them something them man. You're big man, I need to change.
So me not must know say me a big man. Me not must know.
Me not gonna tell you again. Me not gonna tell you anymore. You need to stop like the cigarette, but them and ashes them all over the place. I saw one day when my friend them come here and she reach them so cigarette but she they kick. Me not like them style because their friend them can't come say the place nasty and say a certain way. You hear me I tell you, me not gonna tell you again. Cause you do too much of they do. Me don't like it. You understand? So you go start smoke out a door or some happy smoking.
You know, say if I tell you about marriage one day, every time you get up you have problem. Everything I make bother you.
If you bother me, all the time you know, you go stop the smoking because you're even supposed to smoke. You know, smoking give you one of things. I didn't want to go in that day, you know. But all the thing I can tell you is, you go stop the smoking in here. Or you go, I don't know what you go do, but I don't want to smoke. I go make one new rule. No smoking allowed in here.
A normal free man.
Oh.
So you know say man love you make you go and say
I'll
you come
$10
up
to put in your pocket, then take up the $10. You ever want to see me your maid, for they walk back at you. But I like them.
love come this man, so you know say man love you.
Yeah, love.
Not a normal free man.
Love and nice.
Go on to your room. I don't want to come cuss man from when I talk about marriage and some style. Like if you tell me a little boy.
Then something. Are you again? So hold on. I'm gonna ask you a question. You see, this I get from bad to worse, you know. This I get from bad to worse.
What happened?
Not try your place, you know. Not try your place. You go treat the place like that. The why you use the bathroom, you don't flush the bathroom. The place you wash. Me wash them yesterday. You can't wash them today.
Then me, we have to come out and start load up my business.
No, you're nasty. You have to go.
If no water on the how me go flush it out?
Water in there. Me just going to go wash my hands.
Water is gone.
No worry yourself. I'm going to get a mic. And I'm going to go out there to go tell the whole wide world say you was about my flow. You're too nasty. Imagine say you get up and you out yourself from morning from phone, you know. You must know where the pan phone and do, you know. Me was to pay them yesterday. You couldn't come was to pay them today. I say this day.
Everything that make bother you.
Everything go bother me. Right now, yeah, irritate me. Right now, me all confident about this marriage thing, you know. Cause you feel like you now go work with every day. Me have to go work in your so.
So I waste me there. I waste my time.
You're too nasty. Me not like nasty man. Means that you're maid. You need to understand that. Means you're woman, soon to be wife. Me can't bother with it clean. 24/7 me they clean. Me wash and pay them last night. You look about sitting this morning and you can't get up and wash and pay them. What kind of style them my youth? You get up, use the bathroom, you come out and say the pan phone. Where the pan phone I talk to?
You dey on my phone and play a game. Me not talk to nobody.
So before your man tell us to come play the game, you know say flush the bathroom because somebody
Water gone on me for do.
Water come back now. Go flush
So how
the
me know some water come back? So you couldn't flush it for me?
And you use it. I want to the nasty
So
boy.
wait there.
Me no need to flush a DD. You're too hard. Go flush the bathroom.
You know what? You better me go left that yard.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, get out there and walk.
Yeah, it better you go on than me. It better you go on me. You have to come back to here. You can bring your clothes them out there. Any girl you have a road, you better have one out there to them. Nasty boy, because me they talk to you with the right thing. You feel like me don't see you have girl out the road, but go on. You come back for your things them too. You better you go on than me because once me step my foot in the house here, me not move. Oh, me they wait for 3 years and you just they engage to me. Bright, nasty. Alea, girl, you remember when me that tell us say me go make you be my bridesmaid, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, right now this a come like say me good. Me want mash up this girl, wrap up this. Girl, from me and Ricky say we go get married, girl. Appear things in my life, girl. Me can't bother.
I don't know what really going on here like you know, Ricky used to live so good. So I don't really know what
Alia, no one of the boy just nasty and lazy. Can you imagine say me wash up the plate then last night and get up and look about sink this morning and the boy left the plate like sink. Then me go to the bathroom to go bed now, right? When me look, he did in the sink. If boy did in a toilet and a flush it. When me go there to him, I go tell me about our water they gone. I'm gone out of the yard.
know since when you start fight and be a fight, you need to find a mother woman and go and start out and solve problems.
Not a mother woman. Not a mother woman. All the thing, the boy just lazy and nasty. Not a mother woman, girl. No, nobody can tell me say this a boy just want just look at mother. He might look at maid.
Remember, Ricky never stays so you know. Remember, when my
Him never show me say nasty, girl. Him true colors they come out. In true colors they come out.
Somebody do something to you. That's if the mother woman to find out what is what.
Nobody not do nothing to him. Not do him that nastiness. And nastiness do him. Girl, I believe me say after me they talk to the boy. I know the boy them going to the bathroom go flush it. A boy take up him foot and gone out the road. Nothing can tell me say now and next guy out the road they entertain. So the entertain the girl, you know want to do nothing in the house. Cause the girl take up too much time.
Yeah. You know what?
Girl, who could I really want to do something to Ricky? Nobody want to do nothing to Ricky. Ricky just lazy and nasty and just a come on. You feel like say a true, so one on this. So yeah, try say. You feel like a true, me tell people say we go married. People they bad man and want to do something. What then could I want to do?
Then I have them, but every time I kill a critter that clean up. You can't buy my critter too.
Girl, so what then do? Go home and go home and for nasty. That ain't go home and for do. If people like hobby people, girl, people like hobby people for food swallow up something. Nobody not hobby nobody for nastiness. Now on yourself. But just know say you see this a boy continue this a way ya this a wedding you go put off. Cause me not living at no house me dey be mean. If you want to go hire a living maid. And no maid woman now come in here to take my man. So you have to be a man. Oh. Bright. Anyways, we have to go clean up your house now because I'm saying gone and you know clean up your house. So me go have to go clean up your house. So me can link you probably, I don't know, probably next week. I'm going to tell you anything will happen after. Later, my friend. Alright. Bon, come here. Somebody can't help somebody nastiness.
Yo, Bridget, just make sure say man fix the crown, bro. Make sure say him put on all the panel them good and see. You see it? Alright. Yeah, brother. So call about. Man, I have a little thing I deal with, see? Yo, Ricky. Yeah, man, I dry money, you know. Yeah, man, I make you up with some money when I have to, you see it? Alright, you what? But I write our friend yard, see? So, yeah. So, I go use our friend now to get to she. And that's how I deal it. I style with it, you know. Alright, so me update you, yeah, brother? Alright, cool. Yeah. Hello. Just a minute, the place. Beautiful. How you doing? My name is Peter. No, you know. You remember me from the ice cream shop?
Yeah.
Beautiful though.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, you want to go on now? You know what, sir? I'm not going to lie to you. I like your friend.
Yeah. That's nice.
What's your name? What's your friend name?
Yeah.
Leah. Yeah, Leah. I like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't know. You could take care of you. Take care of you. If you line you up. I don't know if I could do that.
No problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you say you can do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Alright, so you want to go on. I don't really know your friend, you know. So tell me something about your friend now.
Yeah, I know everything about her, man.
Tell me something about her now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She in our relationship, half relationship.
Yeah?
Yeah, she have a half relationship.
When I say half relationship, explain to me. I don't understand.
Like, yeah. Like she distracted, you know.
Focus, man.
Yeah, man, me focus, man. I just chew me a chat, you know. She son hot man and the money. Me mean the son. Son well hot man.
No, man. We so move from here, man. I understand.
But yeah, she in a relationship with one youth.
Yeah.
But they not really in there like that, you know. Because show the youth cheat on her.
Wow.
And something so she got Obia man. Obia woman. Sorry. You me distracted, man. You distract me.
Your friend?
Hmm?
Your friend?
Yeah, she got Obia man to hurt the girl. And get in there that picture. Like we bring one panty. Yeah, she go there, go do.
Who brought that to do over?
Oh, Leah do that. She brought the money.
Man?
Yeah, she bring this something to me. No man me a stutter. Actually, son had the money. The son had. Yeah.
Okay. So she brought a panty. Whose panty?
Oh, the girl panty.
Hold on, which girl that?
She named Chubby.
Chubby?
Yeah.
Our man named Ricky. I think I got know Ricky, but our man named Ricky.
No, so I don't really know them still. I don't really know them. But
Yeah.
anyway, I'm interested to know her still. I want to know her and
Yeah, me make you
see.
know her, man.
So what you could
You can't just give me money.
like
Oh shit, the son, man, his son.
no, I'm gonna reach that money part. I got make her get something.
No,
But
man, I missed it that I son me a chat about.
we soon move from that. So what you say you could do? You could have talked to her and
Yeah, man, we can do that for you, man.
alright, so my name is Peter, right? And tell her I like her so much. I wouldn't mind you could have work it out that a sure shot that me get her. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so
So you not put them up on it?
alright.
Put more up on it, man.
Sorry about it. You kinda crush it, but sorry
Put
about
more
it.
up on it, man.
But no, look, it's when we get her,
Yeah.
then you can get some more money, right? Yeah. So work on it for me. Alright, my number, set my number now. Set my number. Boy, you know easy, you know, you just account it out, so. Alright. So set my number and when I line it up, then we can arrange some meeting up with me and her and so forth, right? And tell her that she don't have to worry about money.
My number.
I have it like that, yeah?
Or you can put in your number.
Yeah. 876 425 8874. Yeah.
Alright, you say your name, Peter.
Yeah, Peter.
So me really can come for more money.
Yeah, man. Once me get her.
You go get her, so me I get the money.
Yeah, man. No problem, right?
Alright.
Alright, so.
Later, so you can let her have 2 more, because she plays Saturday have me out and son, so you can let her have 2 more money.
Alright, boy, not easy, you know. Alright, so
Alright.
get her, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Call this a girl, yeah? Hey, hello?
Hey, what?
Girl, I didn't even know what just happened a while ago. You said me meet one rich man.
Hey,
Yeah, and he's saying like you. So girl, I need to come up here right now, drop anything you do. Here? Anything where you do your job.
like me.
Yeah, girl, just hurry up and come now, girl. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Okay?
Me a come.
Aye.
Where is now? Where's that one?
Girl, how much money man give me? Girl, you need to job Dirty Ricky, okay? It's a man a better. And you have money and you can spend pints. You need to job Ricky, okay?
So you say your cousin?
Girl, you know what I mean, girl. I still my cousin a rich man, you know. You know, second things. How are you? Me a good friend, you know?
Me a good friend. I know you for a long time. I know when you tell lie.
Girl, you don't know me I tell like I'm serious.
I know when you tell lie.
Just say just say you want.
See you look alright.
Hold on now. Just say you want to be an idiot for Ricky. Not because you do that. So first of all, and me jump so me go do that, you know. And you say you got you whole of stress and me give you the easy option so you can do that. You could have said no, you know, say you want to continue to get bun. Cause you come like a hit you like getting bun. You come like it's sweet you. You want brought done every night, is that right? Alright. Since you not believe me, let me call the man. Cause me not have time for waste. Hello?
Hello?
Cuz.
Hello, who's this?
Cuz.
Hello?
You're not hearing me?
Yeah, who's this?
It's your cousin, the Browning. I'm here with my friend and she not believe no me I tell her so me know you and me are far family.
Okay. What's up, cuz? Sorry about that. Never recognize the voice, cuz.
I'm here. I'm telling her that me and you are real family and are from far and she no want believe. So I want you
Yeah.
talk to her.
From a long time, I have family, man. Oh, God.
I don't know what do her. Talk to her.
Yeah, man, talk to her.
Hello?
Hello, nice lady.
Yeah, hello.
Alright, so first and foremost, I want to apologize. Um, we we are getting to know each other now. It should have been the other way around. It shouldn't even be through my cousin. I should be bold enough to come to you and introduce myself and we get to know each other and started courting and dating. And, you know what I mean? So I really want to apologize, to get to you through this medium. But I was saying I really want to get to you by any means necessary because I can't get out, it's like I can't get a hold of you. I try to walk around, I drive around, I can't see you. So, my cousin, I know say you're affiliated with my cousin, so it's alright. Yeah, go see what I can do with my cousin and talk to my cousin, you know? You know them things that them way there?
Yeah.
So, but long and short, I do this and I like you.
Okay.
I would like to get to know you some more.
Sure.
You're not to worry about nothing. Alright, before you say anything, can we just meet up one of these days and talk?
Sure, yeah.
Alright, you don't have to worry about nothing. We can, go somewhere nice and have a drink and read and talk. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, but I have a car, but it's in the garage right now, so I'll just, we can just take a walk. You know what I mean? And we have a taxi normally take me to and from where I'm going, so we could do that.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Alright. Let me talk back to my cousin, please.
Cuz boy,
Hey, my cousin, what's up?
me there.
Alright, so I talked to her and she sounded, oh my God, right now, I chim me there, I chim. God knows.
A good girl, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much, cuz. So,
Just remember the
so we
money.
can meet up.
The money.
The what?
Remember the money.
Cuz, come on. You know we have that luck. So, we can meet up like in the evening.
Yeah.
Pick you up now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just go up the road and start out some stuff and come back down and meet up with her, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, soon call you back. Yeah, cuz?
Okay.
Yes, cuz.
See, girl, you see? You see? I tell her, say, girl, you're gonna look proper. So, do this money, you're gonna look different. You're gonna have a be expensive thing and Richie gonna bex. Say him do you that. You hear? This a money I best. You understand? See all vehicle you have. Not even know say my cousin get vehicle. You get rich and rich. So girl, just do it right. Me go there here with you. So I like me go make you go with him by yourself. Me go always do there.
You not tell him nothing else.
Me not tell no else, girl.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You see how you gonna like it?
No, the place hard, but just do it right. Just do it right. You go. This one I go spoil you. And we gonna meet him, but me gonna move and make you there and me talk to him. Here. I'm only me with Panty income. I mean, this one happy.
See, and that with you.
I will call me. Yo, Peter. Where are you with bad, bro?
You know what I'm saying? Brother, I have something to tell you, bro. Very important, brother. You don't know what I'm going.
Wagwan.
Alright, so good and bad news, me I see. See?
Yeah, bro.
Which one about?
Yo, I want a good one first, bro, because we are left with bad for last.
I'm waiting now. I'm still waiting.
No, bro, I'm not there up on my yard.
I'm waiting.
I'm there up on fire yes up on the front page.
Alright. That's what I'm check. That's what I'm check. Okay, I'm waiting.
Alright, bro, do that fast. Yeah.
Yo, brother, what you do, sir, brother?
Yo, you know, sir, woman give me some problem, bro. I say me a walk in house, bro.
What kind of problem if you have, brother, and I'm married, they say you're going to get married, brother?
Bro, found you be a cussing woman depend with me, bro. Me don't know what go on in my life. Everything human make bad him since lately, bro. So me just say me a walk in house, bro. I'm tired of cussing them.
Yo, you're serious? You're serious, Ricky?
Bro, serious like a judge, bro.
So them thing that is real.
What that?
But
What
anyway,
you
no. Listen what me I say. Alright, so you want to know, back to what we are dealing, the business.
Yeah, business.
Alright, so the girl, I'm going to meet up with her shortly. See? So me can take a picture with her and make you get it and you can use that blackmail her to leave her. You understand?
Bro,
One of the man we talk to her friend. See? You know the brown friend was she have.
that's how again.
The brown friend, she have an
Oh,
browning friend, them, yeah.
yeah, man, remember.
So, I love money up. Brother, I say me don't talk to her, the girl that will look for me. I just, if I move the money go so the girl, see the girl there, just look for the money so I focus on the
If
money.
she looks so, she no must love money.
Brother, this is what I say now. So, she sort out things. What me I got to do now is just meet up with her, take a picture, so you can blackmail her the right way. Right?
You're sure, bro?
Yeah, bro. So listen, now you gotta get her out of your life permanently. So you can marry to your lady and live a happy.
Bro,
Well, let me just tell you what's going on, brother.
Bro.
Something going on in your life, brother. Yo, listen to me, brother. Me want to tell you that. You believe in us, them superstitions, bro?
believe in our bro. A father God me believe in a Peter.
Alright, you hear me, I say. So, what me tell you, say. The brown girl tell me, say, bro, yo, what I'm trying to tell you, brother. Alright,
Yo,
yo,
go on.
brother, brown girl, I tell me, say, like, don't say me saying, brother. Don't make no trouble out of this, you know. Brown girl, say, your side girl stole your lady where you live with, Panty, and carry that one over a man, brother.
How lie I tell Peter? How?
Brother, you need to do. You need to go report it on a station, brother. That you need to do, brother, and get back the Panty girl lady, bro. As you see, remember me tell you, them over in something there, and a good something, bro. Take my foolish advice, brother. Report it, brother.
No, it's a real talk, yeah, make Peter.
Yo, the girl tell me, the girl talk out everything, she not worry about. Ricky. When she see the money, bro, she does a chat, brother.
And you believe that, bro?
Yeah. Yo, listen to me, man. You need to. Me I go find out from her what color Panty and tell her. So you just go report that to the police and the right station. Yeah.
Alright,
Brother, listen to me and say to you. Stop stress out yourself, my girl.
brother, me I wonder.
Look here, man. Do what me I say. Go help you, my youth. Solve this, bro. So go get rid of the side lady and you go to the station and make sure you report, say. Stole your lady Panty so she can carry back and give you, brother. Or she get locked up.
So when me
See?
go to station?
Allow me to call back a girl first and find out what color. No? Oh, I'm telling Ricky what?
Bro, I can't even know, you know, bro.
Ricky, just stop. I know what go on, bro. I know something go on, bro. I really, brother, I'm not tell you the truth, bro. I really want to think too hard, but something, brother. You understand? Yo, them thing that can be, brother, them thing that really, no, bro. Remember saying that, remember back from Bible days, when one man threw down piece of ticker down the rod. The devil man them, bro, throw down for them rod the ground. And he turn in a snake.
Yeah, bro.
Remember say when the God man them throw down for them too, he turn in a snake too. Only thing say, the God man them snake and eat up. The next snake, bro. You have to read the Bible. Yo, you don't read the Bible, you. So yo, this is what I say. No find out the color. Me a help you, bro. Like, seriously, I'm a virgin. Me no want nothing there, yo. I
Yeah,
want to
man.
be a best man, man. You see?
Yeah, bro.
Stop stress out yourself. Get up on yourself. Drink some water. Wash your face. Yo. Come in. Come in.
Fine, bro.
Hey, Jess. How you doing? Tell me something. Me have some more cash for you, you know. Alright. Me I come down here now. Come meet up with the princess, right? Alright. And me have some more cash for you. But tell me something. What color panty? What color panty it was? Same panty you tell me say your friend took away from Ricky girlfriend. No, man, no, nothing. Me just ask, come I say, you know, me just curious to know what color, you know? Yellow? Me have some cash here, man. Me soon come here. Big up yourself. Here, cuz. Alright, cuz. Be a far there? Yeah. Alright, bro. Ricky, you hear me? Yeah, I want yellow panty, brother. Yeah, I want yellow one. So, I'm gonna go down there now. Just give me a sender, bro. I'm gonna raise with the girl now. Take a picture with her so you can blackmail her. If you can get no more information from our friend, you don't know. You see it? Alright, brother. Yeah, crown her work on, bro. Don't worry about that. Alright. Don't deal with the matter now. You know what, me nothing else, brother. What? Yo, relax the man and stop stress out yourself, man. Me tell you to go wash your face, drink some water, hurry up yourself, brother. What do you? And me I be the best man for the thing for the wedding, bro. Aren't you? Alright. Yeah. Hello. How you doing? What you going, cuz? Big up yourself. Hi.
Hi.
What happened, cuz?
I'm there here. You know, so I'm gonna leave it to another talk. Yeah, anyway, the money. I want something to drink, man.
Want something to drink?
Yeah. So your friend said I give me money for Ray and pay.
Easy, you know, cuz.
That's what more funny, man. More funny, man. Must say I promise me money.
Cuz.
Come knock on
Soon,
to
boy.
that's me next one of mine.
Alright. Buy a drink.
See, girl, because I'm rich.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going over there, so I talk, man. I'm not going back.
Alright, later, eh?
Later.
Alright.
Yeah. Have a seat now. Yeah. Why be schooling?
Breeze cooler, sun hot, anyways.
So, tell me something. What you like about me?
You're,
Being that I first asked me.
you're a really handsome guy,
Thank you very much.
and when I really like to get get to know you more still, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That I go happen, man. Alright, so, I think you're a very beautiful lady as well.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, I'm not saying I rush things, but I can take a picture with them.
I'm sure just once in a they all over immediately these things.
Yeah? No, man, why would I do that?
Cause some man done so.
No, sir. Not like that, man. So, you're willing to, you're willing to date me and thing and
Yeah, cause you're nice.
to take a picture now. Alright. So, you what? I kinda sweaty and them thing there now, cause I walk up and down in the sun and this is not really the official meetup. You understand? So we are go somewhere very nice, you know, have some blended fruit punch and yeah, Ricky, yeah, deal it. Now come tell her what I go on.
How do you, bro?
Come in.
So I go on now, bro.
The lady in there.
She asleep.
Oh. Alright, you know say the female bro. The side woman, you know say she not real to you, brother.
God know.
Right away, bro. She ready to go up on date, all these things, brother.
You know, say that's why my spirit never take that girl in.
I tell her, bro, look here. I'll see picture here, so you can use the picture here now.
Bro, so easy.
Yeah, man.
Like y'all just take it to, you know.
Brother, them not tell us how me did a while ago, bro.
Yo, me have to real tell you now, bro. You're tough, you know.
Like
Yo,
y'all tough way. Y'all was reason, bro. What mean say me I'll just take it? Me not tell us how me deal it, brother. Me just call up on the phone.
Yo, send me a picture.
Me send it right here.
You have to use that and blackmail her.
Alright, so me send it to your WhatsApp, man. Brother, listen what I say.
Alright, you come through.
And here what I go on. You see panty, what she take, the girl I say I want yellow panty, brother. So I ask the lady if she miss yellow panty and make a report on the station, brother. Go pan it. You see it?
You know
I
what
tell
say?
her.
She miss it. For real. One
She
yellow
has,
jazz, bro.
she has said, then I saw me I tell her, remember our brown friend tell me about you, what I don't know, bro. I don't want to tell her still, brother, but
Bro,
sort out a thing, brother.
no woman a cuss me say me take away her jazz. Go give me girl them, bro. Man, I laugh.
Sorry for laugh, brother. But why should I really think that, bro? Like that. Anyway, do what myself do still. I'm not going to really tire you, brother. Do what myself do. So when I make a report, you can call them in my youth.
I want to go out there myself, bro.
Yo man, call down the bro. Call down the my youth. The number online. Just call down on the bill station, brother. Yo, anyway. Do that and make me know what I go on. Yeah.
No respect. Yeah, bro.
Everything good, man. See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, hello? Is this the Nigger police station? Oh, you know, say me a call about a break-in we go on by Midtown apartment. I would like to make a statement or lodge a report or something about it. Yeah, Midtown apartment. Alright, you know forward now? Alright, okay, no problem. I'm waiting. Babes. See, Ijaze, miss where did a cuss about so me take it could give me girl them. Me get to find out how breaking at the house and thiefy.
What you mean? Me no, hold on, slow down. What you mean you get to find out who break into the house and thief it? So hold on there. People have key for ya. Nobody can break in a ya. Anybody will have me jars. I must you bring them here. I must you introduce them to this house here. But then can come and come take me jars.
Be listen up, relax. Just calm, see. The person who come here, if you take the jazz, come thief the jazz.
I could have never lay. If I ever lay, Ricky, if I ever lay, me say, me are you done for this marriage I put off. If I ever lay a thief, me draws, me say, Ella and Paula house with me are you in here. Me I can go down Emmanuel Road.
But babes, you not tell me say you go forgive me.
Forgive you. If she thief me draws, I must you bring her in if she have the chance to thief me draws.
Why would
Nobody else not have no key for ears. So don't tell me no foolish, you know. So I bring girl in my house. I can never bring girl in the house. In the house where they promise me say, oh, anything is yours, it's mine now. I don't really bring girl in here. When I get time to bring girl in here, Ricky, when?
B, listen to me now. Look how long me stop deal with that the girl there.
So she get chance to take the draws.
From me say she breaking at the house. No must pick
How
him.
she breaking at the house? Tell me how she breaking at the house. How she breaking at the house? Oh, so she.
B.
So Jesus.
B.
So you really make a girl come here come thief my draws?
B.
How my draws I go?
Yo, me go make her get it back.
How?
Me call the police.
No draws and no girl wearing no.
Me call the police.
Ricky, you hear yourself?
Me call out a
Police
station.
draws. People will laugh and follow my youth. You idiot.
You go know if you not get it back today because police them soon
come.
come.
Move out to your side, you know. Come in and with dear things in here, you know.
So you know go get back your jazz, B.
Me not want the draws there. You have to make a girl take with me jaws. I will tell you.
It can't fit her, that can't fit her.
So what she take jaws for then? What she gonna do with me jaws?
Me don't know.
Me nah wear no, me nah put her with no jaws and no girl. You see you? Me say, me tell you about man, you know. Man a hook you know.
But
me tell me to after me die so. I'm gonna wash for you, I'm gonna cook for you, I'm gonna clean for you, really bring girl everything for jaws.
Why would I?
Don't worry yourself. Don't let me know what to do.
Me where I go after we plan the wedding and everything you go.
Which wedding? You don't tell us my jaws get missile. You don't tell me say your ex teeth me jaws. You don't tell me about wedding.
So we not better get married.
So why your ex had you in here for teeth me jaws, my youth?
She breaking at the house, B.
How she gonna break in here? What she do?
How me feel know?
How she want me to break for breaking at the
Me gonna make her get back your jazz so you can stop us. When the police ain't come, you gonna probably lock her up too.
So mother, hold on. How you know she had the jaws? How you know?
B.
Yeah, the girl, pass you up
B.
communication.
Somebody tell me, somebody good source me here from B.
What?
That the somebody that will tell me nah, tell me no lie.
Boy, you're the evil, you know. After me give you the first time, Ricky, you really bring back girl in up between me jaws.
Why would I be? Me wanna do that.
All me jaws go. All me jaws.
Me not tell her say the girl breaking at the house.
So okay, so she breaking the house. That everything. I feel me jaws stick up. And me she want her you. Hey? I feel your girl. What she want take up for your other pants. And me she want her you. Oh. Who they see put her?
You tell me say you forgive me for all of this. Look how long me stop chat to her.
You piss me off, you know, man. You piss me off. So out of everything in here, so where my jaws she go? Why?
Me don't know how me feel know that.
Not more than the girl they come in here. And I beard and I have no panties to put her because the jaws she wear come here dirty. And you tell the girl, say, see jaws, the jaws and wear. See you boys are eating. Don't worry yourself here. Watch me go do with your girl. Watch me, I feel house, but you have to left here. Watch me on.
Why, Father God? Me always get blamed for the wrong set of things and me nah do enough, Father God, and when me not know about, you know. But soon as this a policeman a reach her, you know, me a making, me a press charge for that girl for me woman jazz, you know. You wait till all that the policeman they come here.
Yeah, I'm in town apartment this.
Yes, officer.
You sure?
Yes, officer.
What you doing on the road?
We are playing football, sir.
Alright, go on, be there. Hello?
Oh, what on the wait? And I'm gonna call her wait. Nobody not gonna look at laughing stuff for me, you know. Ricky!
Yes, babes.
Come here. Somebody else said to you, nobody not gonna laugh for me. When there? come.
Officer, this here.
Yeah, for the draws matter. Go on.
Come in, officer, you're welcome. I will run the place, you know, man. I want to run the town. Come in, officer, you're welcome. Can I have a seat over there?
I don't wish to sit, sir. What is the matter? Where is the broken in?
Boy, that's so nice.
Well, officer, no we're not too break, you know. No window, no grill, no. So,
What is the report is all about?
Tell them about
What is the report is all about?
Don't we know?
well, one of my ex them, thief, me woman jazz, PR jazz and
How she thief it? Tell the man how she thief the jars. Tell the man how she thief the jars now, sir.
she break in the house and thief it, officer.
Yes.
How she break in? Where she break through? Where's the evidence that she break through?
Officer, to tell you the truth, me no really have no evidence because me no see no breaking window, the grill no cut, nothing but.
So how she come in here? That the man. How she reach in here to thief the jars?
I'm listening.
Me no know. Me no know, officer.
Listen.
How you have to know how she reach in here to take out my jars? But you can't go to station now. Go tell this a man you say, in take my jars. Tell me.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, young lady. I'm a police officer. Don't get too bright. And watch your mouth. Here. Listen to me, young man. If you don't see her taking up the panty, the underwear, the drawers, whatever you called it, we can't have a case.
Well, officer, me see her. Me see when she take up it.
How you so much for the jars? Oh, me say I knew it. Sorry, sir. Me know why you feel like more disrespect you. But me hurt. I'm your husband. Me say no, him man, I'm supposed to get married to. I knew sir you bring a girl to my house. You know my house, Jesus. See, I really didn't bring a girl to my house.
Be tough and nice.
Now worry yourself.
How we are going to
Now
be
we
clear
don't
if
need
me
no
not see?
disrespect, right?
Listen,
But
listen.
I'm your husband. I know what to do there. I know what to do there.
So-
Let me get on my job.
Listen.
No, sir, deal with your case. Let me make it on my
Be
job.
honest.
You know what to do there. Let me get on my jobs. No worry yourself. And Mr. Watch me anyway.
Listen. I never have a case like this before. So listen. You're going to come down to the station and make a report about what you see and what happened.
Yes, officer.
So I can take up this case in my hand because I never have a case like this before. I hope when I go to the judge, she don't take it as a joke. What you said happened? How many panty missing?
One, officer. She take one panty. One of my woman panty. My ex-girl, me see her, me two year them.
Oh, it's your ex.
Yeah, my ex.
So, tell me something. What's so special about that underwear?
Officer, it's a yellow one, officer.
So because it's yellow, make she take it away.
Me no know if I she favorite color or why no. Why she choose that the one day no. But me no know what to say, officer. But only thing me can say, me want press charge pan her. Cause me see with me two eye when she thief me woman jazz. So me want press charge.
Well, all you have to do is come down to the station and make a report. Okay?
Alright, officer. Me a come down there look more. Soon as me get the time, me a come at station. Me a lock up my ex. She bright to come thief me woman jazz.
Alright, I'll take it further on from here. Make your way down to the station.
Alright, officer.
Officer Lum's here.
Alright, Lumsy. Big up yourself. Hey!
Hey, I better come beam in know, nobody come be me. Me can't believe say I really bring a girl innocent to them take on my jaws.
B, me not bring the girl come in there if me not see how me go have a case.
You tell me stupidness. You tell me stupidness. So imagine say, I say we them married and the girl come take on my jaws. You tell me say.
B, relax, calm down.
Me and you and she would have to go down Emmanuel over here. Me think say if you put this wedding sum upon a bill. Cause me not understand how you make girl come in and say come take on my jobs and have the audacity. They tell the man say you see. How you see?
B.
Grill no break, door no break, none else in a gun that me yellow jobs.
You come like you don't understand the law. If you don't see a person do something, you don't have a case.
Do not raise a voice after me because I don't maybe bring money enough to your underpants and you bring that enough to my jaws.
Me I go down at the station.
Me not go nowhere.
More evidence, more proof.
Evidence. Now you think somebody can laugh at me?
No one can go down there.
Yeah, idiot. Everybody down there go take you for one piece of paper so they report Dalet Steve and a girl jaws. How?
B, come here, go down at the station.
Why you? Yeah, alone go on, yeah, just Steve. Go on, she yard, go bring her down there.
Then go and prove at the station. Say
so,
you.
Me approve.
Yeah,
me never there. If I ever in here, me and you and she would have every thought.
Say no, I'm lock up the girl.
Go on, go lock her up. Long as me get my job, me good. I made a pan break. Say, me don't know if you want to pack up your things them and go and find someone at your house, but me don't tell you say. From the first day, tell me say make yourself feel like a home. Me nah left, you know. So if we feel left and you left find somewhere if you go and do a fear house, you go find somewhere if you go. So I don't ever want to pack up your things them and go to an Airbnb and tell me mind cool down, but me not left in. You say feel at home and I am at home. Me not gone away. So I would advise
you don't come with me at the station.
Who? If I'm like you, well, you're on your way going to the station.
But them go say if you bring it woman with a fear jazz.
Yeah, you know, say that piss me off. Listen to me. If I'm like you, I pack up one little bag and go rent to an Airbnb. So after the station, you go to the Airbnb. Come and tell us, I'm not left to your house. You go left. Come here and I go have it.
Now go to the station, I'm going to lodge a report.
What about the clothes them?
No, me close.
Me don't want you in here today. Me don't want you in here. Watch out, nasty boy. For all long you know that dirty shop you even being. You're supposed to cheesy and green and mowgli.
But me, no, you stress me.
Who stress you? And you stress yourself. I'm gonna get my job.
No, right now, I'm going to press charge for that girl.
Because you've got to go.
I'm going to press charge.
What am I press charge?
Go down the grill police station.
One. And can't take out the things out of your house.
Okay, look, sir. How are you?
What you don't do?
Girl, I'm here, so you get locked up. What are you? What going? Girl, wait, hold on. How comes it because of me and you want to keep a man? Just no. Simple the officer is no.
Girl, just admit it. Just admit it. And you make police smack me for the first time in my life.
Me? Then why you never say no?
Because you're my friend. I remember my friends are going to listen to what our friends say.
No, I can't. Leah, I kept what you say. Because you didn't want the man, you didn't want the man stop your bun and have ICU. So you decide to say yes, Ray Auntie. So it can't really be my fault. And it can't be two our fault. It have to be your fault alone. Because I say, me a friend, I love the advice. So, and me make you get locked up. You have to understand your friend, it's not me. When me hear say you get locked up and me I eat my food. Me are shocked. Come here and say, people are telling me say you get locked up because of jazz. So me don't mind me did that, me I said, don't know how she get locked up because of jazz.
But the matter of fact is, who knows say me?
I don't know, me I try to figure out.
No camera up there, no? Or maybe You up there, they put in here, I don't know.
I don't know what to tell you, so, you know. It's sad with me here. Come here, eat. I couldn't even come here, so my friend I get like up with jazz. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm frustrated. I'm
Girl, you need to
confused.
cheer up. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be good. You need to cheer up.
I have court figure the 17.
Wow. All court you have? I'm serious. Wow. All court you have? I'm so serious.
Girl, come on. Remember say panty don't charge me fine. And plus they even have the color of the panty where yellow, you know.
That's why this serious.
I wonder if I'm mad woman go tell her.
Girl, don't do that.
Well,
What you try to say? That woman did not do them kind of things. You can't do them something there. No, don't do that. Jesus Christ, you serious. So what on there? The police are not laughing.
girl, boy, I don't know, so they laugh.
No, they're not laughing at you. So somebody get charged with
Yeah,
panty.
because I must say I force him to hear that.
Me I laugh because it's funny. Why me not know how they know exact the color of the panty and everything, but it's fine though. But you're good. You need to cheer up, girl. That's so good.
Soon, action.
You're so good, girl.
Yeah, so good, but like, why a solution?
Why you want my the panty?
Yeah, me need to get it back because before the court date. So me can show the judge say me have to give her back. So then lock me up. Again.
Girl, you mean God prison? I even bad things you laugh for, girl, but it's just funny how you get caught. Give it a panty. Oh, sorry, I stop laughing, I'm sorry. But, girl, I know the part that go fit get back that friend. Mama Jones, you know, because that woman is serious, man. If you do something and then get back, you can't turn back on you, you know. When I know it type of something where you get yourself, you know. Must say she had to do the work and everything, you know. So if you feel like by that Georgia from she, everything can turn on for you, you know. You all can mad friend it, because I hear these do, you know. So, my advice, wait, anyways. How are you? How are you and Peter going?
Girl, if we meet up out there, yeah, get this up. I don't see him back. I don't hear about nothing back from him.
You're a joker. You need to get some money from Peter and buy a ticket.
Like,
You need to get some money from him. Serious, you need to be serious now because this is a serious thing. Cause me ever take my foot. Matter of fact, me not come with you when you go Mama Joe. Probably come with you, me not know. But you see how that woman that stay, you see once something is done, and you go collect or try and come out that, it will turn back around for you. You can't have. It all can cause death. You're not supposed to do that. So you need to find my Peter, get money, give Mama Joe, she reverse back everything she do.
Like
so your girl go come back in the picture, everything just go start back normal. You go out of the picture. It just go start back from fresh. So then go become back lovey-dovey and married and all them type of thing. But that's so you do that, then figure out prison. Right? So let's figure it about Ricky and find our next man. You understand?
But girl, stick up in. But they say something to me down at the station, you know. Say about me carry a Obia man. How do they know that?
It's an Obia woman, so girl, I don't know.
But the point is how they know.
Brother, to be honest, it look like somebody there watch me. Because nobody don't know them mess, them the bigs. Nobody don't know them the secret. Them secret is between me and you and Mama Jones. And Mama Jones is not that type of person. She don't play. Understand? I don't understand how you get so much information.
Something alright. Something not add up to me.
You go have to just link Peter and get the money. You just have a reverse sorry, you just have to get heartbroken, but that's how you go. Better than go to prison. So make the girl take back her man, everything done. Blah 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 blah. You understand? Yeah, you have to just find Peter. Get money. So not only Mama Jones is gonna buy it, you're gonna buy it the judge. Judge love money. So you go free after the case. You understand? Yes. So that you go have to do. I don't know what else to do, yeah, friend. This mess up. This really mess up.
Mess up and confusing.
But you go good though, girl. As long as you have money. Money talk. So as soon as you have money, you'll be good. You don't have nothing to worry about. Just get money.
But anyways. Alright, I'm just gonna ask Mama Jones back feet panty. Wow.
I never know how a mad friend me have. Oh my God, that girl I try to sign on death wish. You know what? You're a problem. Me tell you to talk to you. You're stubborn and naive, and me can't bother with it. You hear what I just said a while ago? You want to do? You want to go back to the Mama Jones and me tell you say don't play and realize that the woman don't play. If you ask her back for the jazz.
Simple like that. Why am I gonna give me money then?
No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving Leah. Cause my sister here try to sign a death note, and if anything reach you, you can't say I'm my fault. So I hope she not kill you. You know what? I hope she not unalive you. You don't hear. I'm leaving. Me can't mother. I must contract my kids on my foot. For sure, it's something really goes wrong, you know. But I hear a deeds. But I know how Mama Jones there. What's up, alright?
Egwanya. Mama Jones. Mama Jones. Mama Jones. Mama Jones. So why does someone take by myself? Anyways, I come to ask her for a panty back.
My $10,000. My $10,000.
You will get it.
My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000.
Me tell you say you go get it.
My $10,000.
Miss, me tell you say you go get the $10,000. What do you?
My $10,000.